Good morning, viewers. This is Mathematics with Dr. Hoji. In this video, we shall look at application of factorization in logarithmic equation. Kindly click the subscribe button below the video and the notification bell so that each time I produce new video, you'll be duly informed. Now, we want to look at an example under factorization in logarithmic equation. And this is the application of that factorization. Now, example, solve for x in log 3x base 7 plus log 2x minus 1 base 7, which is equal to log 16x minus 10 base 7. This is a very good example of a logarithmic equation. So we are asked to solve for x here. Now, for us to solve for x, we have to apply the basic principle or laws of logarithm. Now, in this left-hand side and the right-hand side, we have log base 7 is common. So we can select the common base there. So solution, log base 7 of 3x. Now, plus, we have been told that 3x plus log, that means plus the logarithm of addition, logarithm will change to multiplication. Multiply by 2x minus 1, okay, is equal to log base 7 of 16x minus 10. I hope you understand. Because we have to change the addition sign here to multiplication. That's why we are putting it in brackets. We could have written multiply by. But since it is already in bracket, it means multiplication. So with this, log base 7 will be cancelled on the two sides. So by the time we cancel that, what do? We expand this. That's 3x times 2x, that's 6x squared. Then 3x times minus 1, that's minus 3x, is equal to 16x minus 10. So the next is what? Collect like terms. We collect like terms. By the time we collect like terms, we have 6x squared minus 3x. Now you bring 16x to this side. It is having a positive sign here. So by the time it comes here, it becomes minus 16x. Then minus 10 will come here to become 10, which equals what? 0. So with this, we have 6x squared down minus 3x minus 16x. It's like you are owing somebody 3x, you are owing him again 16x. So your debt becomes minus 19x plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so what do? We embark on our normal, methods of solving quadratic, because this has led us to what? This logarithmic equation has resulted in a quadratic equation. So we multiply 6x squared by 10. It's going to give us what? 60x squared. That's plus 60x squared. Now we find product factors of 60. We can have so many of them, but whichever one we are going to find, we have to be very smart and fast so that we don't waste our time looking for the product factors. Because if you are not careful enough, you spend the whole time looking for the product factors. So while you are looking for the product factors, you have to bear in mind that the product factor you are looking for must give you minus 19x when you add them together. So without wasting our time, 15 and 4 we do. 15 for xx. Since it is it is positive sign we are looking for, both of them must take positive sign, or both of them will take minus sign. Yes. They must take, so that by the time you multiply them out again, it will give you back plus 60x squared. So which of these two pairs now will now give us minus 19x? Obviously, it is the one that has minus 15x minus 4x. So we have 6x squared minus 15x minus 4x will now be used to replace that minus 19x. Okay? And we have replaced minus 19x by the addition factor of minus 15x squared and minus 4x. So minus 15x rather minus 4x. So what is common here? X can go in the 2, 3 can go here, 3 can go here. So we pick 3 and we pick x. Okay. So 3x dividing 6x squared. 3 divides 6, we have 2. X divided x squared, we have x. Then, it's already plus, it's a plus 3x. So plus multiply or dividing minus is minus. 3 dividing 15. 3 in 15 we have 5. S in x. That's 1. So that is gone. Then we pick minus sign. What is common between 4 and 10 again? 2. 2 is common. You open the bracket. 2 in 4x, that is 2x. Then plus 10 divided by minus 2, that's a minus 5, is equals to 0. That is dividing plus 10 by minus 2. Minus times plus is minus, 10 over 2 is 5. So we have what? 3x minus 2 into bracket. That is now pick the one outside. 3x minus 2 into bracket 2x minus 5 will now be equals to 0. So that's the linear pair we are getting from that problem. Okay, so we now have 3x minus 2 is equals to 0, or 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. So this, by trying to transfer minus 2 to the other side, they become 3x is equals to 2, and divide both sides by what? By 3. You have x will be 2 all over 3. So or here 2x will be what? Will be equals to 5. But then minus 5 goes to the other side, become plus 5. Now dividing both sides by 2 here, x will equals to what? 5 all over 2. Therefore, our x equals to 2 all over 3 or 5 all over 2. So that is that about that. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button below the video and the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be informed daily. Thank you very much. God bless you.